जहाज नासिना वाल बेहतरीन
In accordance with the health and agriculture requirements of Pakistan and our sole confirming the World Health Organization standards human threat throughout the cabin. We request you to remain seated and recommend that you keep your nose and eyes covered until the flight is completed. Thank you.
We shall be airborne shortly. Please ensure that your seatbelts are fastened. Your seat is upright. Your tray tables and video screens are stowed. Footrest retracted until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Passengers occupying window seats are required to open the window blinds in preparation for departure. We would like to remind passengers that safety information is given on the card in your seat. Please feel free to draw any concerns to the immediate attention of your parents. Thank you. Have you wished to To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting on one strap into the buckle on the other strap and tighten it. To open your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. You are advised to keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times throughout the flight. Business class seatbelts are equipped with airbags. This is your life vest demonstration. For passengers in the economy cabin, the life vest is located under your seat. For passengers in business class, the life vest is located under the aisle armrest. Take it out and slip it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist, insert the fitting into the buckle and tighten the buckle in the strap. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft, as this would impede your exit.
Mask now.
As you leave the aircraft, inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs downwards. Should the vest not inflate, immediately blow into the rubber tubes. Children under 2 years, special life vests are provided. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will automatically drop from the handle of your head. Pull on the mask, cover your nose and mouth with it and tighten the elastic band of the mask around your head. Remain seated and do not remove the mask until advised to do so. Adults should put